Well, my dear students, today let us learn about the process of excretion. Excretion is a biological process by which an organism gets rid of excess or toxic waste products of metabolism. The major toxic material produced is the urea in case of human beings. Uric acid is the excretory product in birds, while ammonia in fishes. Excretion removes unwanted byproducts of metabolism, toxic chemical substances, regulates the ionic concentration of body fluids, and also regulates water content of body and regulates pH of body fluid. The human excretory system consists of a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, urinary bladder, and a urethra. Two kidneys are located in the abdomen, one on either side of a backbone. Left kidney is larger and placed higher than right kidney. Urine produced in the kidney passes through the ureters into urinary bladder, where it is stored for a while or until it is released through urethra. And the act of passing urine is called as a micturition. And micturition is under the control of a brain. So the urge for passing urine is controlled by the brain. Internally, a kidney is made of numerous microscopic excretory units called nephrons. The function of kidney is filtration of blood to excrete the waste products of metabolism. The kidney filters about 190 liters of blood to produce around 2 liters of urine daily. Each nephron has cup-shaped upper end called a Bowman's capsule. It contains bundles of blood capillaries called glomerulus. The Bowman's capsule and glomerulus together form globular body called the renal corpuscle. The blood in the capillaries of glomerulus come from aorta by renal arteries, and after passing through the glomerulus, it returns to the posterior vena cava via renal vein. The blood entering into glomerulus carries waste material which are filtered out in the Bowman's capsule. Filtration is possible because walls of glomerular capillaries and Bowman's capsule are very thin and selectively permeable. Thus, membrane allows only small molecules and water in the blood to pass through them. Once the waste is filtered out, the blood free from the waste goes into renal vein, from where it goes into heart through posterior vena cava. The fluid containing waste material is forced out of glomerular capillaries into Bowman's capsule. The filtered out fluid is called glomerular filtrate. So the process is ultrafiltration. Bowman's capsule leads to a long tubular structure called a Henle's loop. During the flow of glomerular filtrate through the Henle's loop, reabsorption of useful material takes place. The fluid reaching the end of collecting duct, the last part of the nephron, is called urine. Finally, the urine moves through ureter and collects in the urinary bladder till thrown out of a body. So urea is a very harmful and toxic material. It should not be stored in the kidney for a long time, which may harm the kidney. Sometimes kidney fails to conduct the process of filtration properly. That will lead to the kidney failure, and it may cause the death of the person. So how to remove the accumulation of urea in the blood? So there is a medical technology called dialysis. Dialysis is a process in which artificially the human blood is filtered out of the urea. Urea is removed from the person's blood and the blood is supplied back to the same person. So dialysis is sometimes also called as artificial kidney. So drinking water is very much important for a healthy filtration and for the healthy functioning of a kidney. So an adult person should take at least 8 glasses of water per day.